Of Sun and the eighth planet. Sun is present in the center of the solar system and all the eight planets revolve around the Sun. All the eight planets move around the Sun in their path called the orbit. This is how the solar system appears. Here the Sun is present in the center and the planets are revolving in their own orbit around the Sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury has small and rocky planet. It has many craters on the surface. It has no atmosphere. It is very hot during the daytime and very cold at night. It is the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus is the hottest planet and also the brightest planet in the night sky. It is the second planet from the Sun. It has a thick cloud that trap heat. It is also a rocky planet, but it spins very slowly in an opposite direction. Earth is our home planet. It is the third planet from the Sun. 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water and remaining portion consists of land, mountain, forest, desert and many more. Earth has an atmosphere that contains oxygen which we need to breathe. It is the only known planet that supports life. Earth has a natural satellite called the Moon. Mars, the red planet. It is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is called red because of the presence of iron oxide. It has a very thin atmosphere made mainly of carbon dioxide. The tallest volcano of the solar system, Olympus Mons, is present in the Mars. It has a huge valley called the Valles Marineris and the largest canyon. And scientists believe that in near future it may have water which can support life. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, it has very amazing storms with strong wind and more than 79 moons. It is 2 times massive than all the other planets combined. It has the strongest wind in the solar system up to 600 kilometers per hour. The greatest red spot is a huge storm that has been raging for hundreds of years. Jupiter has more than 79 moons. The four largest moons are called the Galilean moon. Jupiter has very strong magnetic field, the strongest of any planet. Saturn, also known as the ring planet. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest after Jupiter in our solar system. It is a gas giant mostly of hydrogen and helium. Saturn is famous for its beautiful ring made of ice and rock particles. It has a powerful wind reaching up to 1800 km per hour. It has more than 145 moons. Saturn also has very low density. It is so light that it would float in water if a large enough ocean could exist. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and the third largest in our solar system. It is an ice giant with a unique tilt that makes it spin on its side. It is the coldest atmosphere in the solar system with temperature as low as -2 to 4 degrees Celsius. It has faint ring and made of dark particle. Uranus has 27 known moons. It is a thin atmosphere that is made up of hydrogen, helium and methane. The color of Uranus comes from methane in its atmosphere that absorbs red light and reflects blue-green light. The ring that you can see around Uranus is very faint ring. They are dark and hard to see from our Earth. The farthest planet and the eighth planet is the Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and the farthest planet from the Sun. It is an ice giant with strong wind and cold temperature and deep blue in color. Neptune is an ice giant mainly made up of water, ammonia, and methane. It is the strongest wind in the solar system. It is extremely cold with temperature around minus 214 degrees Celsius. It has also faint ring and made of dark particle. It has 14 known moons. Now the solar system quiz. Please go through the videos and try to comment on the following quiz. First question, which planet is closest to the sun? Question number 2, which planet is known as the red planet? Number 3, which is the largest planet? Question number 4, which planet supports life? Question number 5, which planet contains beautiful rings? Question number 6, which is the coldest planet? And number 7, name the natural satellite of the Earth. Please comment and reply. Please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.